Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my lovely students. Okay, so mathematics class 1. So students, today we will start new lesson which is your chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. We have already complete numbers from 1 to 9. है ना, हमने देखा था ना numbers from 1 to 9. So today we will start a new lesson which is your chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. On your textbook, page number 69. So, students, here what it is given. Now we are making a bundle of 10. After 9, we all know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, what will come next? It is your 10. So here the loose sticks of 10 given, and that 10 we all make a bundle of 8 by tied up. है ना, ऐसे उसको बांध के हमने 10 स्टिक्स जो लूज आइटम्स थी उसको बंडल बना दिया. हियर द चेरी वी मेक द बंडल ऑफ अ 10 cherry, right? Bundle of a 10 matchsticks, bundle of a 10 bananas. Yes or no? If you will count this object, you will found total 10 objects, right? Let's see one more. I'm showing you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 sticks we tied up in the make of bundle of 10, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 cherries को ऐसे bundle बना दिया. So a bundle of a 10 cherries, right? Then this matchstick 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 and 10. So this 10 matchsticks we tied it up and make a bundle of 10 matchsticks, right? Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 bananas and we make a bundle of 10 bananas. So clear everyone? So after 9, which number came? Number 10. 10 how we will write? 1, 0, 10. So understood everyone? Now next page number 70. Now next one is make a group of 10. Right? So here for example, first one here given the number of onions is there. Right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here up to 10 we have count. So here you can see by drawing a group, making a group, हमें ऐसे line से group बनाना है 10 objects का, right? Different objects. Okay, so now we will make a group of this one 10. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this 10 candies we have to make a group. So you have to also draw it like this to make a group of these 10 candies like this. Can you see everyone? So everyone draw like this to make a group of 10 candies. Now students, next we are making group of 10 for this. So let's count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this 10 we have to make a group of. So we have to draw like this to separate this 10, right? Like this. Can you see everyone? So you have to also make a group of this. You have to count up to 10 and make a group. So now next we have to make a group of 10 leaves. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Students, it's 10 leaves there. So we have to make a group of these 10 leaves like this. So like this you have to draw it of making a group of 10 leaves. Understood everyone? Now next here you can see candies. We have to make a group of 10 candies. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See everyone here. So we have to make a group of these 10 chocolates. Everyone see carefully like this. You have to make a group of it. Right? It's not compulsory students कि आपको यहाँ से you can count from here also. आप यहाँ से भी 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 और 10 का ऐसे भी ग्रुप बना सकते हो. Right? So it's not compulsory to make a group like this. कि आपको यहाँ से स्टार्ट करने हैं. You can stand in between. यानी हम लोग ये जो लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हो ना स्टूडेंट्स वो 10 होने चाहिए in between. Next is your page number 71. On the page number 17 given counting from 10 to 20. Now we are counting from number 10 to 20. So here we have to fill in the blank. So here 9 6 plus 1. So 9 plus 1. What we get students? We get answer 10. So here make a group or bundle of 10 matchsticks. Right? Then one group of 10 matchstick means 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1, how much students? 1, 1, 11. So here in the circle, you have to write down the number 11. 1, 1, 11. So that means after 10, which number came? Number 11. Understood everyone? Now after that, here 10 6 plus 2 6. 2 6. So 10 plus 2. So here 12 mentioned. Yes or no everyone? So 1, 2, 12. So that means after 11, which number came? Number 12. Then 10 plus 3. So 10 6 plus 3 6. So how much total? 1, 3, 13. Yes or no? So that means after 12, which number came? 13. So here in the circle, you have to write down it number 1, 3, 13. Right? Then here students see 10 stick given and here 4 written. But can you found any 4 stick over here? यहाँ पे आपको 4 sticks दिख रही है? No. So that means you have to draw 4 sticks over here like this. So 1 stick, 2, 3, 4. So you have to draw 4 sticks like this to make 10 sticks plus 4 sticks is equal to 14. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे 10 mention, so 10 sticks bundle of 10 there. 3 you are given here, so 3 sticks है ना. यहाँ पे 4 लिखा हुआ है but 4 sticks नहीं draw थे, तो हमें यहाँ पे draw करना था. Yes or no everyone? Now next page number 72. On the 72 continue of the numbers from 10 to 20. Continue हो रहा है ना? Okay. So here you can see a bundle of 10 sticks. So 10 written over here. Here 5 loose sticks given. So number 5 mentioned. So 10 plus 5, what we get answer? 1, 5, 15, which is already mentioned, है ना? 15 भी mention है, bundle of 10 sticks भी है यहाँ पे, और ये 5 loose sticks भी यहाँ पे draw की हुई है. Yes or no everyone? Then next, bundle of 10 sticks and 6. So 10 plus 6, what we get students? 1, 6, 16. So that means after 15, which number we get? We get 1, 6, 16. So here in the circle, you have to write down it 16 number. Yes or no everyone? Now next here, 10 written and the 10 bundle of 10 matchstick also there. Here 7 written and here you can see, can you found any 6? जैसे यहाँ पे 6 दिया था और 6 6 draw की थी. यहाँ पे है no. So what we have to do? So we have to draw this 7 6. So come on everyone, draw 7 6 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here you have to draw 7 sticks, and here 17 and 10 bundle of 10 sticks and 7 sticks already given. So here on the number 17 you have to draw these 7 match sticks. Next 10 number written over here, and the here bundle of 10 sticks also given, plus 8 number and 8 sticks is also there, right? Okay, then is equals to here bundle of 10 and the loose 8 sticks given, but here the number missing. So 10 plus 8, what we get, students? We get 18. So that means after 17, which number came? 18. Yes or no, everyone? So that means in this circle, you have to write down each number 18 like this. 18. Then after 18, here number 10 written and the 10 bundle of 10 sticks also given. Then here number 9 and the 9 loose stick also drawn over here. So that means 10 plus 9. What we get, students, answer? 19. क्या आंसर मिलेगा हमें? 19. And that means after 18, which number came? 19. Yes or no, everyone? Then afterwards, after 19, here the bundle of 10 sticks and number 10 also there, plus one more bundle of 10 sticks and number 10 also given. So 10 plus 10, what we get answer? We get answer 20. So understood, everyone? So page number 72, we have seen numbers from 10 to 20. I hope everyone understands page number 73. So let's see. So here what it is given, students? MAKE, make a GROUP group OF of 10 A and B and WRITE, right? NUMBERS numbers. हमें जैसे हमने यहाँ पे देखा था ना, we have make a group of 10, right? Likewise we have to again make a group of 10 और हमें numbers fill up करने हैं. So how you will, students? So देखो, पहले हमें 10 का group बनाना है, right? So we have to make a group of 10. How many make a group of 10? 1. तो हम 10 में यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 1. फिर 1 place यहाँ पे जो mention है, वहाँ पे after making of group of 10, how many still remaining? That we have to count and we have to mention over here. So after making a group of 10 ice cream, still we have left 3 ice cream. So here I have written number 3. So 1, 10, 3, 1. So which number? 1, 3, 13. So we build up or we get number 13. Yes or no? So like this you have to complete this exercise. So everyone ready? Okay. So now here you can see, right? We have to make a group of 10 lambs. ये lamp है, okay? So let's count with me. You have to also count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So till here I have count 10. So we have to make a group of 10 lamp like this. Right? So we have make one group of 10. So here 10 place you have to mention number 1. Now after making group of 10, still how many remaining? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many remaining? 5. So that 5 you have to mention over here at a 1 place. So 1, 10, 5 ones means which number? 1, 5, 15. So here you have to draw this one to make a group of 10 items. Here you have to mention the number according to the places, and here which number is this, you have to write down it. Understood everyone? Now next is one onion, right? Now we have to make a group of 10 first of count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So till here I have count 10. So I am making a group of 10 like this. Yes or no everyone? So how many? One group I have make of 10. So here at the 10 place we have to mention 1 10. And now ones means after making the group of 10, till how many we are founding left. Okay. So that we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many remaining? 8. So at one place we have to mention 8 as we found loose 8 onions. So 110 and 8 1. So which number is this? We build up numbers 1 8 18. Is it clear to everyone? Now let's see next here we have to make a group of 10. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and so till here I have count 10. So now we have to make a group of 10 like this. Can you see students? I have made a group of 10. So at the 10 here we have to mention 1. Now at the 1 place after making the group of 10 still how many we have remaining? So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. How many remaining? 9. So at a 1 place you have to mention 9. So 110 9 1. So which number? 1 9 19. Is it clear everyone? Understood? Number nikalo. Here on the page number 74 again we have to make a group of 10 and same we have to do. Right? We have to make a group of 10. So mention we have to 10 and after making a group of 10 how many remaining? That we have to mention at a 1 place over here and we have to build up a number and mention over here. So let's count 10 to make a group of 10 snakes, right? So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So till here I have count 10 snakes. So come on everyone, make a group of 10 snakes like this. Can you see? I have made a group of 10 snakes. So how many group I have made? 1. So 1 10 and after making a group of 10 still how many remaining students? Only 1 snake. So that 1 place you have to mention 1. So 110 1 1. So which number? 1 1 11. So is it clear? Everyone write down it. Now next here you can see scissors, number of scissors. First of all we have to make a group of 10 scissors, right? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This one we have considered, okay? So till here I have count 10 scissors. So I am making a group of 10 scissors like this. Can you see students? I have made a group of 10 scissors like this. I have make a group of 1. So here at the 10 place I am mentioning 1. And after making the group of 10 figures, still how many remaining? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many remaining? 6. So at a 1 place you have to mention number 6. So 1 10, 6 1. So which number? 1 6 16. So come on everyone, write down this all the things. Here again we have to make a group of 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. See if you have complete till here 10. So now make a group of 10 like this. Okay. So one group of 10. So here I am mentioning 1. After making group of 10, still how many lose? So 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So at here we have to mention 3. So 1 10, 3 1. So which number? 1 3 13. Clear everyone? So write down. See next here again we have to make a group of 10. So let's count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So till here I have count 10. So let's make a group of 10 like this. So I have made a group of 10 1. So at 10 I have written 1. And after making the group of 10, still how many lose were there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So once we have to mention 4. So 1 10, 4 1. So which number students? 1 4 14. Yes or no everyone? Understood? So in your maths textbook page number 75, here you have to, in this all the box number 10, 10, 10, you have to write down number 10 in all this remaining box. Likewise number 11, in this blank box you have to write down number 11, 12, right? So this page is your homework, right? You have to write down this in your homework, right? So page number 75 and also 6. Page number 76, you have to again number 30 in this blank box you have to write down it. Same number 14 in this blank box and number 15 in this blank box. So this one is also your homework. So I have given you 2 page homework 75 and 76 जो आपको होमवर्क में कंप्लीट करना है. So are you able to do students? कर सकोगे ना? Okay. So do it as
77 also you have to do it as a homework and 78. And I have given you one more example that you have to complete the tables. The number which mentioned over here, the same number you have to copy in this empty box to complete the table. So these 4 pages is your homework. Is it clear to you? So next page number 79, what it is given here students? Tick the group with more objects, more यानी ज़्यादा. आप देख सकते हो in the opposite boxes we are having the same things in a different number of objects. हमें ऐसे boxes में, और यहाँ पे येलो बॉक्स है, ये येलो बॉक्स में से दोनों में से जहाँ पे more objects, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा objects है, हमें वहाँ पे tick mark लगाना. Is it clear? We have to tick the group with having more objects. In among these two groups, whoever has having more objects, at that group we have to put a tick mark, right? So first of all, let's count here how many pots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many students? 14 pots. We don't have to write down this number, just to know I am writing. Now let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many students? Here 13. Here 14 pots were there and here 13. So among these two, who has more objects, students? So that means this group having more objects. So we have to put a tick mark over here. Yes or no? Leaves were there. Leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many students? 14. Now let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. How many? 16. So here 14 leaves were there and here 16 leaves were there. So among these two groups, who is having more objects? This one is having more objects, right? After 14, 15 and then came 16. So that means this having 2 more objects, 2 more leaves. So we have to tick over here. Yes or no, everyone? Next one ball, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many balls? 15. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here 15 and here 11. So among these two groups, which one having more objects, students? किसके पास ज़्यादा है? Yes, after 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this group having 4 more balls, right? So that means we have to tick over here as this group is having more objects. Yes or no, everyone? Now next one, mangoes. So let's count how many mangoes were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many? 17 mangoes. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many mangoes here? 19. So 17 and 19. Now among these two, which group is having more objects, students? Any guesses? This one, right? Everyone showing this one, means 19 after 17, 18 and 19. So that means this group is having more 2 mangoes. So we have to tick over here. So is it clear, everyone? Page number 79. Here on page number 80, join in order. We have to join this and in the order. So in a sequence means we have to move in a sequence. So 1, after 1 which number came? 2. So after 1 we have to join this line. 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, 6. So here you have to move 6, 7, 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, So after 15, 16, 17, then 18, 19 and 20. So we have to move from number 1 to 20 in a sequence to join in a order. And here you will see clearly which number we get by joining in order. We get number 5. Yes or no everyone?